A very warm welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. PM Modi on a two-day visit to Karnataka. While speaking at the Sri Saddaganga Mutt in Tumakuru, PM Modi defended the Amended Citizenship Act and asked anti-CA protesters to raise their voice against the Pakistan's atrocities of the past. Hitting out at the opposition, he said that Congress, its allies, don't speak against Pakistan, but are taking out rallies against refugees. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released the third installment of the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. He also distributed Krishi Karman Awards to farmers in Tumakuru. Broadband internet has been restored at 80 government hospitals, health centers and offices linked to the health department in the Kashmir Valley. The Jammu and Kashmir internet was snapped in the valley after the government on August 5th scrapped the special status to Jammu and Kashmir and divided it into two union territories. The centre restored mobile messaging services in the Kashmir on New Year's Day, nearly 5 months since its suspension. The death of babies at a hospital in Rajasthan's Kota has sparked off a political war of words, with the BJP and Mayawati criticizing the Congress-ruled state. At least 9 infants died in the last 2 days of December at the government-run JK Lone Hospital in Kota, taking the death toll in the month of December to 100. Taking it to Twitter, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath accused the Congress chief of insensitivity, slamming both Priyanka and Sonia Gandhi. It read, "It is sad that Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi and General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, despite being women, could not understand. Questions are now being raised whether the deaths have been caused by negligence of the hospital staff." Union Minister Giriraj Singh quotes controversy, says that kids in school must be taught Bhagavad Gita to impart traditional values to stop them from consuming beef in future as they go to missionary schools and later go to IITs. Then when they move abroad, they eat beef. He further said that he has inspected several houses and found Hanuman Chalisa, Ramayana and Gita only in a few premises. The Congress in Kerala on Wednesday attacked Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan for tagging a letter written by senior party leader Rahul Gandhi on the Kerala Lok Sabha on his Twitter page. Pinarayi Vijayan had made public Rahul Gandhi's letter by thanking him for the warm greetings to the Kerala Lok Sabha. AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal and leader of opposition in the State Assembly Ramesh Chennithala came out against Pinarayi Vijayan, saying he was trying to whip up a controversy as the Wayanad MP's letter was only a gesture of courtesy. The Congress-led opposition in the state is boycotting the Kerala Lok Sabha. The Tata Group on Thursday moved the Supreme Court against a tribunal order restoring Cyrus Mistry as executive chairman of the holding company. Mistry had contested his removal as chairman in 2016, accusing the group of not following due process and alleged inappropriate interference in the company's affairs by former chairman Ratan Tata. The National Company Law Appellate Tribunal on December 18th sided with Mistry, deeming the appointment of Chandrasekharan as group chairman illegal and asked Ratan Tata not to interfere with the matters. A firefighter was killed at a battery factory in West Delhi's Piragadi after the fire engulfed the building and the structure collapsed following an explosion. 2 firefighters and a worker who suffered minor injuries have been rescued. The police said that 14 others are injured. 35 fire engines were rushed to the spot. A team of the National Disaster Response Force also helped in the rescue operation. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.